You're not lazy, you're not broken, and you're definitely not unmotivated. You're just lost, not knowing what to do next, not sure why you should even do it, not even clear on what direction your life is going in. That's not laziness. That's confusion. That's lack of clarity, and today we're going to fix that. See, most people confuse laziness with something else. Mental fog. You want to work out. You want to build something, fix your routine, wake up early, but when you sit down to do it, your brain stalls because it doesn't see the why. It doesn't know what the destination is. You scroll endlessly not because you're weak, but because scrolling gives you temporary direction. A short-term goal, let's laugh at something. Let's learn a little. Let's feel something. Meanwhile, your own life goals feel like static, blurry and hard to chase. This is why the most productive people aren't always the strongest or smartest. They just know exactly what they're building. It's not a motivation problem. It's a clarity problem. Let's test it. If I asked you right now, where do you want to be 6 months from now? Would you have a clear answer? Not a vague one. Not, I want to be better, but something real. I want to be waking up at 6 a.m., earning my first freelance income, and hitting the gym 4 times a week. That is clarity. And when your brain sees that, it wakes up. Because now you're not wandering anymore, you're moving. So what's the fix? Stop trying to fix everything at once. Start with one. Pick one habit, one goal, one reason to get out of bed and say, this is mine. Write down your why, not for the world, for yourself. Why are you doing this? What pain are you trying to escape? What future are you trying to build? Give your brain something to chase. You're not a robot. You're a story in motion. And you need to feel like this chapter is going somewhere. Otherwise, of course, you'll pause. You're not lazy. You've just been drifting without direction. And the longer you float, the more it feels like you're drowning. But the moment you take the wheel back, even just a little, everything changes. So pick your one thing today, not tomorrow, not next Monday, today. And once you do, you're going to realize something even more important. That no one is coming to pull you out of this. No one's showing up with the answer. No one's going to force your hand. No one is coming to save you.